Here we are again, guys. Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to teach you how to make money on Tripadvisor. That's right, guys, specifically through their affiliate program. And the very best thing right here, it ain't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, guys, in these kind of things. This is for everyone, and basically anyone. Requires no investments, and all you need is persistency, basically, and discipline. So please listen to me carefully, follow every single possible step that I'm going to show you, and let's begin this trip together. So let's check it out, guys, right here. You can check it out. For example, this is tripadvisor.com, guys. What is the Tripadvisor affiliate program? So you can see some quick info right here. Work with the world's largest travel site and earn a minimum 50% commission. Why join? So it's a minimum 50% commission, guys. That's incredible. That's basically one of the best affiliate program deals that I've seen so far, guys, in my specifically, to be honest, guys. I have plenty of years in experience in working with affiliate programs, in that kind of stuff, but this 50% is really something to think about. No whole booking required, guys. Multi-touch attribution model. You can even scroll and see seamlessly embedded links, guys. Inspire your users. So there is no need for sponsored posts with Tripadvisor. Weave our links into your content where it feels natural, in a way that fits and complements your own work. So down here you can check it out. How can I earn a commission? So what you need, guys, basically when a user comes to Tripadvisor with an affiliate link on your site and subsequently clicks and any of the whole bookings links on Tripadvisor, they are sent onto to our booking partners, and you've secured your commission. Your site, Tripadvisor, click out whole booking partner, guys. Out here you can see, for example, 3 examples of publishers we work with. Their traffic to Tripadvisor and monthly commissions. Publisher 1, 170 clicks to Tripadvisor, $60 a month. Publisher 2, 6,100 clicks, $1,700 a month. Publisher 3, 870 clicks sent to Tripadvisor, $550 a month. So you can see the prices approximately and everything right here, guys. I mentioned before, it's a 50% commission. I know by now you must be wondering, I didn't have a community or something like that, but don't worry, guys, we're good. We're gonna sell everything. That's it. So stay tuned, stay in touch. Right here, as I said, is getting started. Choose a network partner, guys. Our network partners provide you with the link generators, manage users tracking, and pays the commissions. Both are free to sign up with and offer the same program terms, global tracking, payouts, guys. Right here, number 2, you can see we need a CJ sign up. So let's check out that first, guys. Let's press on it and see what can you actually expect. What kind of information you need to fill up, guys, right here, and in general, what do you need? So let's check it out. For example, right here we need to find our country. Let's check it out. Mail is here, password. Okay, guys, see you in a minute. So after this, what we basically need is to verify our email. Let's press on that, say of course, why not, email sent, guys, and again, see you in a second. Okay, yes, you can see right here, guys, we basically checked everything. You can see in top right here next to the publisher signature, CJ affiliate. This is my mail, of course. I confirmed that, and right here you can see accepted all agreements. So let's see continue to account. Now what we can check out, guys, of course, welcome the email address, continue right here. Let's see password, guys, out here, continue again, and now we're waiting for our account. And yes, this entire process is pretty quick, guys. I mean, anyone can participate, anyone can check it out. Welcome to the CJ affiliate network. Get started and everything, onboarding checklist and guides, guys. You can see validate email, enter your it's checked, enter user information. Right here, enter user information, complete your network profile, add promotional property, guys, enter company details and submit tax forms, provide your payment information, answer some questions to help set you the right path, and so on. It's really easy, guys. Basically, you need to do those steps, guys, in order to activate your account. So it's super easy. Complete all the following steps. Again, we completed just 1 out of 7. And once you completed all 7 steps, guys, what you need to do next? So right here we're coming to a really tricky part. You can check it out. Search for Tripadvisor. Once you've signed up, find us in the network platform and apply to join our affiliate program. For details and approval criteria, visit the FAQs. Create your links. Step number 3, use the link tools provided by the networks to create trackable links to any page on Tripadvisor and add them to your site. So this is, we're talking about if you have your site, guys. Basically any site, any community, anything will work, will do. Of course, all you need right here is not even reservations, you need clicks, and that's really important for you to know, guys, to comprehend that information, that you are working here for clicks. And what we need to do next, if you don't have any community, what's the best way to gain some? Of course, TikTok. You want to do so for a Cyprus, guys, affiliate, guys. You can check it out right here. For example, top 5 places in Cyprus. This is magnificent. So you just need to find this kind of videos, guys. To make these kind of videos, you need a couple of pictures, you need some cool music behind it. I will just play it, guys. I most definitely guarantee you this video has some music. So yep, that's it. So, and then what you need to do, Google's top place in Cyprus, or even better, if you have been on Cyprus, guys, all you need to do is, of course, to write down your experience on it, what's the best places, what you should do on Cyprus, stuff like that, guys. But in general, it's super easy to do that. That's the most important thing, and that's the trick with the TikTok, guys. You gain plenty of attention for not such huge amount of work. So as I mentioned, guys, just check it out, find some amazing pictures, some short videos, whatever, guys, blend it in, basically glue it together, make some kind of video, add a cool popular music, trending music, of course, and you can just type it in. Number 1 is, of course, that, number 2 is that, number 3 is that, and that's it. Limni Pier, Lefkara Village, and you can check it out how it works. And the most important thing is, of course, some great description, great caption, guys, and everything, but below that is your affiliate link, so people will click on that, guys, and you get some amazing profit. So think about it. It's super easy, it's great. And also, if you don't want to do that, if you really just don't know how to make some of these kind of videos, or just think it's too much work for you, what is the next thing to do? Of course, you have a Pinterest, guys. You can just basically, what you need to do, guys, is to find a picture of Cyprus. Right here you can check it out, cool description, below that is your link for Tripadvisor. Good to go. What is the else? Right here we can see, guys, on Instagram, of course, or on TikTok, guys, you can find these amazing travel bloggers with already established community. And then what you can do basically is to negotiate with them, guys, to just, all they need to do is to do their work, post pictures, videos, whatever, to travel the world and do blogs, guys. But what they need to do, you pay them basically small amount of money, or decent, or whatever, you negotiate amount of money to put your link in description, and then you get some amazing clicks. They are satisfied because they get paid of you, and that's the paid option for you, guys. But as I said, you can check it out. Established community is here. Travel bloggers are all over the internet, so yeah, you can check them out, guys, straight away, or TikTok as well. I mean, even maybe better solution because everything is in short form videos. So think about it. Pinterest is another option for you, guys, but what really amazed me right here, as I mentioned before, is that 50% commission, guys. So as I said, 3 easy steps is here waiting for you. And what can I say? Become a part of Tripadvisor because they're paying pretty well. Check them out, guys. Every single possible link is down below in the description section. Thank you for watching this. Goodbye.